posting the net profit of rupees 2,958 crore for the third quarter. Tata Motors is now back to profits. The loss of rupees 1,516 crore reported in the same quarter last year. Tata Motors reported a consolidated net profit of rupees 2,957 crore for the quarter ended December 2022 on January 25th. The street estimated that the auto major would be back with net profit estimates ranging from rupees 300 to rupees 800 crore. Increasing demand for both passenger cars and medium and heavy-duty commercial vehicles led an automotive manufacturer to report its first quarterly profit in 2 years. Accel Partners and Tiger Global in talks to sell 5% of Flipkart to Walmart. Two of Flipkart's original investors, Accel Partners and Tiger Global, are in discussions with the e-commerce company's parent Walmart to sell their remaining stakes in it, which amount to around about 5% of the company. The $115 billion price tag for the acquisition is possible for the American retail behemoth. Over 1% of the company is owned by Accel, and 4% is owned by Tiger Global. Walmart's stake will rise from its current 72% once this deal is completed. Google tweaks Android licensing terms in India. Google modifies Android licensing conditions in India and permits third-party billing for all apps. In order to comply with the Competition Commission of India's CCI recent antitrust directives, Google will soon roll out third-party and app billing to all apps and games in India, as well as allow device makers to license specific Google apps to pre-install on their devices. The tech giant is also making significant changes to its Android and Play businesses in the country. In India, Google is making significant changes to its Android and Play businesses in order to comply with recent antitrust directives from the Competition Commission of India (CCI). Device makers will now be able to license specific Google apps to pre-install on their devices, and third-party and app billing will soon be available for all apps and games. IBM lays off 3,900 employees in latest tech layoffs. 3,900 IBM employees have been asked to go in the most recent tech layoffs. IBM Corp. on Wednesday announced 3,900 layoffs and missed its cash target for the year. The company missed its annual cash target, dampening excitement over exceeding revenue projections in the fourth quarter. According to IBM, the layoffs related to the spin-off of its Kyndryl business and a portion of Watson Health's AI unit will result in a $300 million charge between January and March. Including Wall Street banking titans and big tech, U.S. to better handle the global economic downturn, businesses have started downsizing and cutting costs. Market falls 1%. Nifty dips below 17,900. Sensex dives 773 points. India's benchmark index fell more than 1% on January 25th, with the Nifty closing below 17,900, as power, oil and gas and financial sectors saw a sell-off. At the close, the Sensex was down 773.69 points, or 1.27%, at 60,205.06. while the Nifty was down 226.30 points, or 1.25%, at 17,892. Markets to shift to D+1 settlement from January 27. Markets will switch to D+1 settlement starting on January 27. Beginning on January 27, the domestic equity market will switch to a shorter trading cycle with T+1 settlement from D+2. To put it simply, if settlement is changed from T+2 to D+1, any stock purchased, let's say on Monday, would be credited to the investor's account on Tuesday a day earlier instead of Wednesday. All stocks that currently have derivatives will switch to D+1 settlement. More than 75% of Vince's listed market cap is represented by this. India will have one of the world's most advanced and open equity markets as a result of its structural changes. It indicates the development of Indian investors and traders who are much more knowledgeable about the intricacies of the stock market and favor the less volatile options like index over the riskier stock futures and stock options.